Welcome to Parkay. Introducing Infinity by Parkay, the wood-look floor that installs fast, looks real, and performs like a pro. Featuring extra-wide, extra-long boards for that premium hardwood feel clients love without the hassle. Whether your client's style is coastal casual or urban industrial, Infinity delivers the flexibility to match any vision. With high-definition printing and synchronized embossing, no two planks are the same, resulting in a custom finish for every project. Built for real life, Infinity features a plastic-free HDF core and low VOC coatings, ideal for healthier, eco-conscious homes. It's not just beautiful, it's built for real life. You'll save time on the job with the 5G click lock system that installs fast over most existing floors. No glue, no mess, no delays. And with a 35-year residential warranty, your work is backed by flooring that's built to last. Order free samples, test the texture, and use our room visualizer to help clients choose with confidence. Parkay Floors, trusted by pros, brought to you by Masters Building Products.